So I have this mower. Don't know if it's gonna start, but I will be very surprised if it does. But that's not what that's. I'm not just gonna stand here and pull this cord until the thing starts. There's another thing that I want to do with that mower over there, if you can see it. But I'm just gonna pull this and see if it will start. Okay, well, I accidentally. Oh, I can't do this with only one hand. I'm gonna need both of my hands. Can you guys? What is you guys seeing right now? Well, I mean, I think you can see that. Alrighty, I'm gonna start this now. Don't know if it's actually gonna start, but if it does, I'm gonna be surprised. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that thing starts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that runs smoothly. I was actually not expecting that. Good job. You deserve an A. Let's see if you're gonna start. Battery must be dead. I mean, unless I got my... It wasn't all the way up. Yeah, no. That's not gonna start. But it might be because there's no gas in it, too. Actually, I'm gonna stick my camera in there. It's not gonna fit. I'm stupid. But there's no gas in there. I can smell gas, but I don't see anything. I don't see any. I don't know about the oil because the hood is now, it scares me to open. And the oil is over there anyways. The oil is over here on this side. And I really don't want to be opening this. Wait. No, I thought I saw one of these lights turn on. Alright. And now I don't want to go get gas and bring it out here and put it into the mower for a specific reason. Very simple, basic reason. The reason is there's a shed that best to go this way. There's a shed that the gas cans are in, and it's very hard to close the gas cans. No, not the gas. It's very hard to close the shed doors after you have opened them. And I really don't want to have to deal with that. So it's best I just don't worry about the gas. As you can see, these doors, very hard. Because this door right here, if I were to take it off, it's gonna go down like this. So then you're not gonna be able to put it in its spot. So it's just best I don't touch it. And the creek is going away, or not creek, stream. No animal. Oh shoot. These are rotten pears. Oh, pears that went bad. And they were in our fridge. I did taste test one to see if they were even bad. And they were. But I didn't swallow it. I just kind of licked it. And it didn't taste good. So I just dumped it back there and I expected an animal to eat it. But flies are eating it. Look how long this is. I think the dog's pee or poop is helping the grass grow faster. So, yeah, we're probably gonna want some type of mower out because, well, we go to the shed, barn, shop, whatever they call it. This mower in here that works fine, works good. So if you can see, you're gonna have to move this stuff, move this to get to it. But it works good. It'll run, but not now. Well, actually, it will run now if I were to start it. It will run. So I guess we have 2 mowers that work right now. Good job. I'm very, very surprised that you actually ran, okay? I have not had you, I just moved here. I don't know if you're actually a good mower, but I was very surprised to see that you would run because by the looks of you, you were just buried in plants and stuff. You look like you sucked, bro. You absolutely sucked. But, good job. I know it's probably tough. I don't know. Fun thing about this is I don't even know how you would use this, but I just turned this lawnmower into a 0 turn. Because you don't use your feet on a 0 turn. You just keep them like this while your hands just do the work. And yeah, that's basically what this is doing. It's basically automatic driving or something stupid like that. But also you can't mow. Well, you could probably use a push mower, but you can't use that mower or the one in there. The ground is too soft and too wet to mow, so yeah. Tomorrow is spring, so I'm actually excited for that. I don't know, I might mow over the weekend at my grandparents' house because, they're good. They're not where we live. They're okay. I'm gonna go put this back to where it belongs, and y'all are gonna have a fun little ride. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. What the hell was that? Oh yeah, the window's open in the living room. Young Sheldon is playing. Alright, well, fun fact about this wheelbarrow. 1, it's rusty. Tires popped very much. So, again, enjoy the ride. Oh, can't run. Water. Tire got stuck. Enjoy the ride. Tire don't get stuck again. Oh, okay. Now you are in your resting peace, little buddy. R.I.P. That was so sad. That was so depressing, that fall. Fall was so depressing. I don't know anything that was more depressing than that. But if my stepdad doesn't use that mower, that's a good racing mower right there. Look at this. This is a full bag. I never looked in here before. I never looked in this grill. Is this a full bag? What is in there? Yeah, no, there's actually charcoal in there. Surprising. Just like that lawnmower was. Now, I don't know if I can. Not much in there. I don't know. I think that this is a lawnmower for a tractor. No, not you. Because you suck. But since you suck, and you look like you don't have any purpose in your next life, it's time for me to turn on this bad boy. Because I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. What do you turn that up, turn that down, turn this up, put it in drive, which is 1, right? 1. I'm not good at driving manuals. 3 pedals, I don't know. I only know. I don't know what they call it, automatic or something, I don't know. Whether it's only 2 pedals, I'll put it that way. I don't know if they call it stick drift or something. Stick shifter. I don't know. I don't pay attention.